welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So today I am going to do a quick video on hair. Thin hair, flat hair, fine hair, whatever you want to call it, my hair. So this is my hair. Just washed, blow dried, and like nothing. Just combed and blow dried. Now this has just been my hair for my whole life, so I embrace the fine, thin, flat, but I will say that I am 50 and my hair is way flatter. I also bleach it to give it some more like texture and just some more actually volume, because when it's totally, you should see my new growth, it's so like baby soft and smooth. So I guess I shouldn't complain about having soft, smooth hair, but my face, I feel, needs volume. You know what I mean? So today we're going to be showing you some products that I think are a must-have. Okay, so I just blew out my hair, and the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put some dry shampoo in it just to give it some volume. So I'm going to be using the Beach Babe Not Your Mother's Texturizing Shampoo today. And what this is going to do is, well, dry shampoo is going to give you volume. So you just want to pull up the hair and spray. Okay? Even though your hair is clean and you don't need dry shampoo. Now, I didn't even do anything on already, look at it. It already gave it some volume. So if you're going to do a hairstyle, you need some texture and volume in your hair, or else your hairstyle is like literally just going to fall out. So I'm just giving it some zhuzh. And also this smells really good. It's like coconut. So you think you're on a vacation. Okay, so the second thing I'm going to do is any kind of dry shampoo. I like that one because it's texturizing and dry shampoo, so it's 2-in-1. Second thing I'm going to do is, oh, you guys know I love this Boosted High Lift Creation Spray from L'Oreal. The new look Boosted High Lift Creation Spray. Instant fullness and hold. This stuff is kind of serious, so you shake it. You pull up and spray. I think I've been doing a lot of videos on this stuff. Oh my God. Whew. On Instagram. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please do. I do videos, hair, makeup, workouts daily on IGTV because it's a lot easier for me. I don't have to do a lot of editing. And so when I want to get something to you guys really fast, IGTV and Instagram is the way to go. Okay, so then I'll get like something like this, which is great because now I have something to hold on to and something to work with, okay? Super important. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I feel like my battery is dying here. The next thing I'm gonna do is, okay, first of all, some things that I think everybody should have is a wet brush. These are like $10 at Walgreens. If you have fine, thin hair, you've got to get a wet brush. You can pull out hair with a regular brush if you have fine hair like mine or just regular hair. So get one of these when your hair is wet. You can comb through it. I also love putting this Pantene conditioning spray on my hair right when it's wet, after I combed it with a wet brush. No pulling, no tangling, and then I can blow dry my hair. These things, I'm going to put them all on my Amazon store below so you guys don't have to search and dig. They'll all be right there, okay? Now, next thing is, oh, I need that wet brush. I'm going to start with a super simple hairstyle that I do every day. So I've already tried to get some volume. I like to push it like this. And I'm going to take a rubber band. So I'll do a few hairstyles for you. I'm going to take a rubber band. I'm looking in this mirror here. And I'm just going to pull the hair back and kind of just keep it right over my ears. Okay, right over my ears. And then you'll see it's a little bumpy up there. I do not like perfect hair, so fine if it gets bumpy. Then I'm going to push and then take some hair pieces and pull them out. Take your rubber bands, fasten it on the bottom. This is one of my most favorite hairstyles. I rock this out a lot. And then I just pull at the pieces to get the volume and texture that I want. And if it's kind of messy, that's fine with me. So once I get that look, sometimes I'll pull out some pieces in the front. You can pull off and tie the back and keep creating the volume and texture that you desire. And then I'm going to use today Fructis Sleek and Shine. These are all like Walgreens brand, inexpensive. I'm going to pull a little hair out in the front here. Inexpensive brands that you guys can use. And again, they're all in my Amazon store. I love this hairstyle. If you want to add earrings with it, it looks really cute. That's what it's going to look from the side. You're going to get that little bump there, that kind of little 60s Bardot thing going on, which I'm really into. And then if you like, you can take that, twist it, and make it into a little bun. And the key is just taking that little extra bit and tucking it into the rubber band. Now, if you can't do that, you can always take another rubber band if it's too hard to tuck that little piece under. And I like to leave a little messy piece out, and you just take the other rubber band and simply pop that guy right on top. And messy hair, don't care. I love this look. This is one of my faves. So yeah, spray it down. Excuse me as I reach. And like I said, with some earrings, it's just classy, it's plain. I rock this out all the time. It's one of my all-time favorites. So, hi guys, I was thinking about it and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do that top knot for them anyway. So here's the hair, still dry shampoo, still give it some texture so the top knot stays. Okay, this is my every day. So I'm going to do it for you right now. Just gather all your hair up into a nice pony right in the front. And this is why it's so important to put that texturizing spray in there and the dry shampoo, because if you don't, your hair, if it's like baby soft, baby fine, it's just gonna fall right out. So I do this hairstyle all the time, almost I would say twice a week, because I'm a mom, I don't have a lot of time. Who does? So all I'm gonna do is tie it up on with a rubber band right at the tippy top. This you don't have to worry about pulling out any volume or anything like that. Nice and tight. This is the fun part. Okay, so once you get it like that, let me just back up a little bit. Okay, so once you get it like that, you don't want to spend too much time thinking about it. So you can either get another rubber band if you have a hard time tucking your hair into the bands, like I always do this, and then like tuck it into the band. But if you have a hard time doing that, definitely use another band and you can tie it off. So all I do is start twisting the hair and simply just wrap, 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 and wrap. And then I don't think too much about it, and then I just grab it and I tie it right around so I don't have to bother tucking, and I might play with it a little bit, and if it's a little crooked. So I'm gonna do a few different shapes and styles of buns, but I like this super effortless bun because I'm like, I don't care. It took me 1 second, right? Okay, so we'll take that out. And if you want, you can play around with that bun. You can use that same ponytail, right? This time you can kind of give it some volume by combing into it, wrapping it loosely, holding it, wrapping it loosely, and then grabbing the end and tucking, and then pulling, and then you get another look. This is super messy. I need to look at a mirror. I can't see in this little monitor. Okay. Super messy, but it's also like super cute. You can just like spray that off. And I didn't even put a donut in there, and it's still like, you know, those little donuts to make your hair bigger, those little net donuts. So yeah, that is a super cute bun. And the key is don't take a long time doing your bun. You want it to look effortless. You totally don't want to take a lot of time because that's just super stressful. One more bun that you can do. This one's kind of exciting. I'm going to pull one of these out. So you actually have to, let me do it again so I can show you how you do this one. I actually got this from another YouTuber that I follow, Jordan Lipscomb, and she always wears this top knot, and this one's pretty extreme, but I really like it. So right to the tippy top. I love that I finished this video by adding 3 more hairstyles. Okay, almost, so it's almost closed, but you still have enough slack to do one more go around, right? One more go around, and then you pull it that much. So you get that much, right? want to pull it, and you want to take these two pieces because you don't want it too flared. You want to take them behind and tuck them into that band. I know you guys are like, what? It just thins out the little bump. Then you want to take this hair that's left. This is a little messy. You want to take the hair that's left and pull it around like a little bow. And you can use another rubber band if you like, or you can tuck it. Like, I like putting another rubber band because I hate tucking it. It stresses me out, and I don't need any more stress in my life. Then you get this adorable little bun, super cute. Fix it so you get it, but I don't like things perfect. You guys all know that. So if it's a little bit off to the side and a little bit messed up right there, I like it because I like it. I like an effortless look. Okay, so I really, really love it. How cute is that? Now you want to spray all those pieces in the back, but that is so completely adorable. I almost don't want to take it down to show you guys one more hairstyle. Is that mean? But one more hairstyle for you guys, and then I am done. So I'll take this one out. It's so cute, right? OMG. And again, these all took less than a minute to do. You don't want to take a lot of time in your busy life unless you're curling. You're curling your hair. Even curling your hair shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. Like, really, like, ladies, like, let's not go there. Okay, finally, we're going to do our final with a spin pin. I'll link the video of spin pin hair for overnight curls, but this is these spin pins. Oh my God, we wear them a lot in dance class to hold up our buns, but this is one of my new favorite looks. This is a granny bun. I actually did a video like 3 years ago on the granny bun. So you just want to take the hair, kind of give it some like granniness right there. You see how usually I keep it tight? You just want to like loosen it up a little bit. Let me just pull that up. That's going to drive me crazy. And again, you need that texturizing spray because without it, you kind of really don't have anything to work with. And you want to take the hair and kind of roll it in against itself. Are you getting a grandma vibe right now? Hey, I am a grandma. I could be a grandma. I'm not a grandma at all, but I could at 50. Okay, then when you get that bun, you want to take the open part of the spin pin. And I like the part that's sticking out, like the little curvy part. I like it to stick out a little bit. If you don't, you can tuck it, and then you literally just coil it, coil it, coil it, coil it, and that is done. I might uncoil just a little bit because I don't like the coil showing too much. Pull the bun until you get it the way you want it. Shape it, and it's supposed to have like this really effortless look also, and you guys saw it. It took a minute. Pull it out to get more granny. This is giving me like the granny vibes on the Beverly Hillbillies, but I just totally love this. Now throughout the day, it's gonna fall and get even cuter. So those are my hairstyles. I hope you guys like this. This video is a little bit chopped up, but at least I gave you 4 hairstyles, right? You have sum up, back, middle parting. I gave you some tips on volume. I gave you 3 different styles of buns. So I hope you guys love these. But another thing that I would highly recommend that you purchase if you do not have are some really, really basic hair things. One is like a little teasing brush. You can buy these at any beauty supply stores. It has some hair in it. When you have really flat hair, it's good to go in there and just tease the hair a little bit with your dry shampoo and your texturizing spray, and just keep kind of like pulling and messing with it. I like that, like the messier it gets throughout the day, I kind of like, I'm fine with that. I love that. I like it to get messy. I hate like just clean, perfect, done, because that's just not life, right? Okay. And so I'm going to show you some of my most favorite tools. This is a Remington curling wand. Take a look at it. These are so inexpensive. I cannot live without this to make really nice curls. I think you really only need about 3 tools. A straightening iron. Straightening iron is just a must-have, even for us straight-haired girls, fine-haired girls with straight hair. And my final thing that I think everybody should have if you have straight, fine hair is this like curling iron. I know. Keep those thoughts to yourself, but this makes the most beautiful little curls, and maybe I'll show you that later, or I'll link a video where I do my hair using this. But I think that's all the only 3 that you need. You don't need to buy any more tools. I know people who have like hundreds of different types of tools. You really don't. Oh, I'm almost dropping them. Whoop! One other thing that I think you should have are these spin pins. I will link a video below of my spin pins hair. These things are the best. They're like, you just spin them into your hair and you can make little buns, sleep in them, and then overnight your hair is just like naturally voluminous and full of body. And I know, you guys, it can be really hard when you have straight, fine hair, and especially over 50 when you're going through menopause, perimenopause, your hair starts like really thinning out, and we don't like that. Now, I am a hat girl, so I do wear hats when my hair is just too flat, but you know, can't always wear a hat. The final thing I'm going to say before I get out of here, because I just want to get this hair, you guys have asked me just to do something on flat hair. Final thing I want to say before I get out of here is another thing that I really would recommend everybody with flat, fine hair do is if you wash your hair at night when it's dry. You can put some of the texturizing spray in it and some dry shampoo, then put it in a knot on the top of your head and twist it, put it in a knot, and sleep in it like that. And when you wake up in the morning, your hair is going to be completely different. It'll be shiny, it will smell nice like shampoo, and will have lots of body. So that's it for me, you guys. I will do more videos. Tell me below what kind of hairstyle you want to see. I'll be happy to show you. Hope you guys love this video. Please follow me on Instagram. Links below to lots of discount codes, lots of new things that I have been working on. So I hope you guys read the bottom bar. And thank you guys so much for watching all my videos. Thank you for all your wonderful comments on Instagram. You guys are the best. And I will see you later. Look at this hair. Like, no joke, especially this part. I love when it's sticking out like that. Bye, guys.